Good morning, people. So, another weekend in the garage. What we got planned this weekend, we've got Jack Bradshaw coming up today. He's probably already there. I'm just gonna go get some fuel first. Oh well, get some food. And then meet him up there. That's having some wiring sorted out. We sponsored Jack with with all the electrics on his race buggy, so he's bringing that up. It's been, I can't remember how many years ago now it was that we did it, but it's having a quick once over and some changes made, so we're going to sort that out today. And that's basically it for today, I think. And then tomorrow I'm going to go and pick up some wheels for the Winch Challenge PD swapped series. So yeah, let's go and get some food. Right, Jack's dropped his truck off. So Jack's truck, we wired this up, when was it, 3 years ago? Yeah. So we sponsored Jack with the wiring. So we did a full wiring on his truck 3 years ago. So he's just brought it in today to have a new light bar put on the back. And he's wanting us to change his centre dash bit so it's a little bit more simple, better switches and whatnot. So yeah, this is what we've got to change, so all that to that. So that's what we're doing today, so hopefully we'll get that done today, tomorrow, maybe another night through the week.
Got some other things, got some lights he wants to put in permanently on, some lights taking off.
Yeah.
So just a little bit of switching around wiring wise. But yeah,
But for 3 years later, for it to look like that and everything, Jack says it's been absolutely spot on, worked and it's ever been fat.
It's been up to here in water, hasn't it?
Has
so
it?
The dashboard's been completely full.
So.
I think there's a photo somewhere on it.
Yeah. So anyway, that's what we're on with today. We're going to get this all wired up. I'm up there, Dad's in there. So let's crack on. Let's do it. Right, I got that lights all wired up at the top. Just got to get the relay and the switch on. We're going to, Jack's asked us to just bang the switch in there. Oh no, sorry, on the front. So just going to tidy up all these wires up here. That's the plug for the light. What issues are you having? None?
None really, it's just tight fit, isn't it?
Yeah.
My leg keeps going dead.
Yeah.
But yeah. And it's full of mud. I tell you what, I'm dead surprised at that. That's really good considering it's been underwater.
Oh yeah, well, it's all done properly, isn't it? Marine grade.
Yeah.
Everything, so.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's good. For 3 years, isn't it?
3 years of abuse. It's not like he's not raced neither, is it? So.
Oh no, it's been on its roof, it's been everywhere, hasn't it?
Mm. Yeah, very good. Oh, well, the battery was flat on the camera, so I'll probably set up a little time lapse of you.
Yeah,
Yeah? Are you getting back in this seat? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I'll be on the other side.
Wow.
Well, I need to get here, don't I?
Yeah, no,
so I'm going to have to work facing that way.
Yes.
With you that way. It's going to be tight here. I don't even know where would we put the bloody camera. Go there. Right, let's do it. Right, we've got a little bit done on Jack's truck. It's now pushing on 5 o'clock, so we're just packing up and we're gonna go home. There wasn't enough room for obviously me and my dad to sit in there and do what we've got to do. Obviously I was wiring the light stuff there. My dad was doing this, but it was just too much, so I left my dad to that. Whilst my dad was doing that, started stripping the series off a bit because I'm going to pull this engine out and I'm going to sell it. So get this engine out, put it on Facebook Marketplace, get a bit of money for it, which will go back towards building either that or this, probably that. Yeah, so that's it for today. Tomorrow we are going on a little road trip because I bought wheels for this. But yeah, that's what we're doing. We're going home now and we're going on a road trip tomorrow to get some wheels. See you in a bit. Good morning. So we've just fueled up. It's a cold one today. No sunshine today or shorts for me. But yeah, we just fueled up. We're gonna go and get these wheels. So see you in a bit. Let's go. Okay, we've got the wheels. Let's head home, get them unloaded. See you in a bit. Oh, we made it. We're here. We'll see Murph, see how he's getting on this morning. All right there, Murphy. How did you lie?
Good morning.
Good morning.
I should say, top of the morning to you.
Happy morning to you there, mate. What are you saying? How are you getting on?
Yeah, getting on.
Looks like you've nearly done it there.
Not far off.
Nice.
Not far off. The other one's out.
Yeah.
Just got to work out what you want. All these wires got to.
Yeah.
I can work on this.
Come on, give us a hand, get his wheels out. Buddy, please. Hey dear. How's the van made it?
Did it? No surprise.
3 months old they are, these.
3 months?
3 months.
Wow. I'm guessing you videoed them already.
Yeah, that's a little bit. No, I haven't videoed any of the wheels. So we went for the same ones that are on my Disco, which are the CL18M, which the M stands for Malaysia, because these were built for the Malaysian rainforest. So we've gone for these. They're 35 1050s, but they actually measure 36 inch. Did a good job of that there. So, yeah, what do you reckon? What they on there?
On Land Rover rims?
On D2 rims already, yeah. So,
No, I mean, are you going to put them on alloys?
I'm not sure yet, I don't know. We need bead lockers, don't we? I might just keep them and just weld bead locks on them.
Yeah, we know how they bend though.
I know. But we can't
I
afford
thought
that
they were
lot.
on the same wheels. I thought you said they were the same wheels as your wheels.
No, they're Challenger wheels.
Yeah.
That's what I want. I'd like them and put bead locks on them. So I don't know yet. I might put these on mine and take the ones off mine and put them on that. But we've got
Put them on yours.
yeah, that's what I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
Not that much smaller than them, are they really?
No, I'm stood it wrong price.
I know they're not that wide, but the good thing about these as well is they're so light for a wheel. For such a big wheel.
No? Yeah. The wrong way around.
That's going to look awesome.
Yeah,
Isn't it?
Be a bit taller than that.
Yeah. I don't want it dead eye. It doesn't need to be dead eye though, does it?
No.
Probably wants to be another 3 inches higher or something. But that's probably how wide it's going to be, isn't it? Because when we measured it, it was on the back. It was 9 inches wide, and that was to the edge of them wheels. So, where's that fit? they'll probably be sat underneath there, an inch.
Yeah.
The 9 inches will be there. The edge of this white tyre will be sat there. Feels sick. Not putting no arches on it around, but ain't it, is it?
No.
Yeah. Not a bad little purchase, so continue, so you're going to continue that. Have you done that? No. Yeah.
No, while I'm working out and all that dashboard goes back in, because I think I've got to put a wire up there. I think I might have to put a wire, I'm not sure yet, but...
Right, well I'll leave you with that then. Carry on stripping the series then.
Yeah, if you want. Do a time lapse.
Yep, sound. Let's do it! Right, let's continue getting this series stripped. What I plan is to get the engine out, because I'm going to sell the engine so we can fund more parts. So, cue time lapse, let's go. Right, we've got a lot of this series stripped now. That engine's just the engine mounts to undo, and she's coming out. Need to take the props off and the gearbox mounts, and it's all ready to come out. So that's a good chunk of it done. So very pleased with what we've got done there. There's a lot more to strip off yet. Axles have got to come off, but yeah, chuffed with it. You've got this done now, haven't you, Murph?
Yeah.
It's all
Test everything in a minute.
it's all connected to what it needed to be connected to on the new panel, so that's all done. What are you doing now?
Putting the starter wire in.
Putting a new starter wire in. You put a nice thick one in. Yeah, and then you're going to do the rear chop shop lighting bit, which we've not done yet. But yeah, so that's that, and I'm just gonna, because I've been doing a time lapse, battery's got quite low, so I am going to just get the props off and then undo all the engine mounts and everything, and then I'll film again once we pull this engine out. So I'll get them off and then the engine will be out. Well, she's out. The other thing with bloody floor in here. Where are we putting this now?
Yeah, good question. Just put it next to the, put it on that green thing.
Okay, the wheels. Slow it down, is that? Yeah.
Keep this on still.
That wheel's bollocks, does it? You need to pull that.
Stuck.
Pretty good, that. That was made for it, wasn't it? Fucking made for it. Look, that ain't going nowhere. How scary that is. Right, gearbox out now.
What do you mean?
Hey?
Yeah.
What? Right, the battery ran out as we was doing that, but gearbox is out. That's all stripped now, so yeah, there's a lot of work to do. Need to cut all this off. The cross member needs cutting off. I'm going to continue removing all the panels and everything out the back to maybe one night this week. I'll have a quick tidy up, put all my tools back away because everywhere's a mess again. But yeah, that's it. So that's it for this weekend. Thank you very much for watching. I don't know what is going on with the episodes right now. This could be part of one of bloody 3 attempts at a video here. But yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we shall see you in the next one.